What's up, team? First, this is again Amy. So I want to share with you guys a quick technique that I always use whenever I'm wearing perfume. I've talked about this on several of my videos whenever I do a perfume review or unboxing of perfume. So I just thought, let me come here and share with you guys. We're now in the summer, and if you want your perfume to last longer and you want to smell good, Vaseline. So what I like to do, excuse my chanampra nails, what I like to do, I'll take some Vaseline and I'll put it on my hand and I will rub it where I normally spray my perfume, like behind my ears. I will rub Vaseline there, and I'll do the same thing here also. I'll rub some Vaseline, and then on my neck here, wherever I want to spray perfume, I'll rub some Vaseline. And I will also do the same thing here. So I'll do the same thing on my hand and I'll rub the Vaseline. And I'll just rub the remaining on my skin. So this, and then I'll take my perfume. Because it's summer, I really want to smell fresh. So I'm using the Dolce & Gabbana the light blue intense. So what I'll do, I'll just take the perfume and spray it exactly where I rubbed the Vaseline. I'll do the same thing here. A little bit go a long way. You don't need that much. I don't like to spray perfume on my clothes, but when you spray it on your hands where you put the Vaseline, this will make the perfume last much more longer than normal, because the perfume is not sprayed directly to your skin. It is sprayed on, so the perfume is not spraying directly on your skin, it is sprayed on something. So because of the Vaseline is the barrier between your skin and the perfume, so the perfume has something to hold on to and the scent lasts much more longer. I always have Vaseline on my bag. I have the big one for home, I have the small one, I always have it. And also what I do is I always have a little version of the perfume that I put on. I always have it on my bag in case I'm going for like a longer trip and I just need to refresh. So I always have Vaseline and perfume and my hand cream in my bag. So I just want to come and share this with you guys quickly. Your girl is getting ready. I'm going to hang out with my baby girls. So yeah, if you like this video, let me know in the comment box or give this video a thumbs up. Team Fullest.